I feel like I might out myself as being a little too nerdy here with the direction that we took with Vela, but I don't know. I was an astronomy minor in college, so I nerd out about this a little bit. Vela, we thought, kind of fit well for a couple different reasons. So Vela is a constellation. It's a constellation of a sail, which we liked because, it's moving things forward. But if you look at the brightest object in Vela, it's a star kind of colloquially known as Rigor. And that's a multiple star. So it's two really hot blue stars that are visible from Earth. You should be able to see them depending on where you are in the night sky. And because our reactor is also going to have this heat output and this sort of process heat, or at least that's the goal, we wanted to pick something hot that kind of reflected that sort of temperature that we're hoping to be able to work with. And if you look at Gamma 2 Velorum, which we call Rigor, that was also a star that for the Apollo space program was one of those celestial navigation points, which is super fun given the launch this week. But the two of the astronauts that were working with that navigation point at that point were Purdue graduates. They were from Indiana. So we think that it kind of ties both to our goals for the reactor itself and then kind of the birth of the company that we will be launching in Indiana, which I know you asked where Ohio was earlier. Indiana's right next to that. We are both in the Midwest. Probably nowhere that you would visit coming to the States, although we'd love to have you sometime.